It's an omelet ball.
Yeah.
Nice line. Nice line.
Good shot. That's good. Good ball. Good ball. Oh, drop.
Nice.
Good putt.
Great putt.
I'm breaking my
I don't know. It was like above my feet.
I thought you were doing that halfway setup.
Track.
That's right on it.
Really good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, that'll be a good shot.
I went to the gym this morning and everything, dude.
Go. Go in.
Go.
Go in.
Nice.
Good putt.
Consistently. Just to close it.
Birdie on 18.
Birdie 18 with 4 mulligans.
Exactly.
I picked up mulligans at the clubhouse.
Good work.
That's gonna be perfect.
Yep. Good ball.
That sounded really good. I don't know where it was.
Good feet on it. It's fast, dead straight.
Yeah. Is that the 1 or 2?
This is the 2. Should be position 8.
165, 168. Pin is back.
Yeah, it looks like it's in the back.
So the miss right. So we're just
That's a push right to hell. Right is gonna be the miss.
like a golf course.
Great putt. Come on. pushed through it. Should hit his head.
I wasn't gonna say anything.
I did not expect to like flush it, if I'm being honest with you. Shake. Shake. Like guineas. That's so bad. That might be water, yeah?
That may be water.
I had like 270 good water
I
on
thought
my
down.
GPS. So I
Should
think
be
he's
good.
It
okay.
should be good. As long as you didn't get a kick straight forward, you should be fine. Oh my God. Come off the hill. Really, yeah, it's so dangerous. Why you stole my fucking golf ball and you dropped it around?
Yep. Sure have, buddy.
Oh no.
Made this hole a lot harder to be on all of them.
Oh, good kick.
Kick back to the left and hit that tree.
Must be the golf ball, Brian. Thank you.
Don't go right.
I don't plan on it.
I mean,
That just toilet bowl?
Yeah.
nice.
There we go. Nice. So glad somebody did that.